Hey there, and welcome. Whether you're brand new to Black Belt membership or you're checking it out as a better way to run your school, you're in the right place. In today's quick training, we're going to cover how to reactivate a past member, someone who trained with you a year or two ago and is ready to make a comeback. These situations come up more often than you'd think, and knowing how to handle them smoothly can save you time and keep your billing and records clean. I'll walk you through the exact steps inside Black Belt membership so you can get them re-enrolled, re-registered, and ready to train without missing a beat. Let's get started. Step 1. Search for the member. First, you'll need to find the member in Black Belt membership. You can search by their phone number, email, or even their name, whatever you have handy. To do that, go into the member summary section. Click the magnifying glass icon, then choose how you want to search by name, phone, or email. Once you've found them, click on their name to open their profile. Step 2. Change their status to active. Now that you've pulled up their profile, you're going to change their membership status. If they're listed as inactive or suspended, you'll need to reactivate them. Look for the button that says either inactivate or suspend and click it. That will bring up the option to mark them as active. Go ahead and activate them. Step 3. Check or update their registration. Next, you'll want to look at their registration. Click on the registration tab inside their profile. Here's where you'll either delete an outdated or inactive registration or create a new one. If there's an old registration that's no longer valid, go ahead and delete it. Then click New Membership to start fresh and set them up with the right program. Step 4. Handle suspended members. If the member is listed as suspended, the process is very similar. Just switch their status from suspended to active and make sure they're properly registered. Step 5. Review billing and payments. After updating their registration, always check the next billing date. If you need to change it, maybe they're starting mid-month or on a different day, just click to edit it and choose the correct date. If the billing date looks good, you can leave it as is. You'll also want to check that auto payments are turned on. If they've updated their payment method or need to add a new card, go ahead and do that here. You can either process a payment manually or let Black Belt membership's automatic system handle it for you. And that's it! Once these steps are complete, your returning student is fully reactivated and ready to go. Everything from their registration to their billing should now be in good shape. Using Black Belt membership makes this whole process quick and smooth, so your focus stays on running your school, not chasing paperwork. Remember, you're never on your own. If you ever need help, our team at Black Belt membership is always ready to support you. You can reach us by call, text, email, or WhatsApp, whatever works best for you. We're here to make sure everything runs smoothly at your school. And if you haven't already, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Martial Arts Software to stay connected with tips, updates, and a community that gets it. Thanks for watching, and as always, we're honored to be part of your journey. We're with you every step of the way.